Kuble biang ip baro sa sien te niladap solve ya quadratic equations mentangin pet pat say kawai ka unit kata kadai arithmetic progression tengin ne iki MCQs jong kani ka unit kidan nadu 70 hadu 89 hadu question number 89 tengin solve kawai okay. So the first question number 70, in an AP, if D is equal to 2 and fourth term, which is A4 is equal to 13, then A is, the hakan in solve, kamot kande kumnikin. In use ka arithmetic progression formula, okay? So A nth is equal to nth term, okay? Is equal to A plus n minus 1 D, okay? What is A? A is nothing but the first term. And what is n? N is nothing but the term, the number of terms basically. Nang ta d pada they common difference. Common difference. A of n pada it's exactly that given number kin. Okay. The first term is equal to something kum takin. So hang ne pada given A4 is equal to 13. Come on, this is the given term. And then what is n out here? N is nothing but 4. Okay. The D is equal to 2. So we need to find A. So in use we take a formula. This formula is very, very important. Ma. Ma bhai kani. Ro ngan le kumni ngan ra shwai kini stay. Okay. So that implies using this here. So start with an is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. So that implies an near day 13. Then a is what we have to find out. N is equal to 4. Nang ta d pada day 2. Okay. So that implies ngan shift hang ni ngan ra borrow from the right hand side to the left hand side and borrow way badon ha left ngan ra right. Choose switch by places. So this is a, then plus. Now 4 minus 1, it is 3. 3 into 2. Okay. And then 13. Then that implies a plus 6 is equal to 13. And then that implies a is equal to 13 minus 6. So therefore, what is a? A is nothing but 7. Okay. Correct answer, the option B, 7. Okay. I hope you're clear. Tekan ma bhai kani ka formula pidi ban somehow ban pelai kani, okay. Next question, in an AP, if A is equal to, okay, so in thought given A is equal to 2 and then D common difference is equal to 0 and nth is equal to 1000, then AN is, okay, actually 2 and a small n. So a small n is this equal to a plus nangta n minus 1 d. Okay, thing in solve ya gani. So a of n is equal to a day 2 plus nth day 1000 minus not 1 and then the common difference day 0. Okay, yes. So that implies 2 plus hang near the subtract no pin your 999 into 0. Okay, so 2 plus nothing but 0, so the answer is 2. Okay, so this is the answer. Next question, if an AP, in an AP, okay, this is the AP, the first term A and common difference D are respectively. Think in what? So given in thought, what you have to do is first you have to write down all the given data. So given AP is 3, 1, minus 1, minus 3, and then 0. Nang ne, okay, directly laban pen A is equal to 3, the first term, and then D padam, it is the preceding minus long this one minus this. Okay, so it's like this A2 minus A1 or A3 minus A2 or A4 minus A3. Okay, so hang ne A2 kandai 1, okay, and then minus A1 kan day 3. So that day minus 2. So your common difference is minus 2 and then first term is 3. So 3 comma minus 2. Option D is the correct answer. Okay. Question number 73. Which of the following series form an AP? Okay, this is very important. Which series forms an AP? So AP basically kada arithmetic progression. The common difference D should always be the same. Okay, for an example, A2 minus A1, which is common difference, it should be equal to A3 minus A2, and it should be equal to A4 minus A3, and so on. Okay, the difference between each given number should be the same. Okay, so we have to check. So in check the first option, 4 minus 2 is 2. Next, 8 minus 4 is 4. Tanghang ni shuru, they are not the same. So this is not an AP, not in AP. Okay. Next option pada term. Minus 4 minus 0. Answer kan day minus 4. Teng simbiang pada next term minus 8 minus 8 minus 4. Okay. So hang ning in the solve kan ning your minus 8 plus 4. So answer kan day minus 4. But actually shwala they are the same. But anyway, you can check the third term. So can day minus 12 minus 8. Okay, so hanging your minus 12 plus 8. So can day minus 4. Yes, this series is an AP. It forms an AP. Okay, that means I should check option number C pada 3 minus 1, which is 2. Next, 9 minus 3, which is 6. So this is also not an AP, and similarly this is also not an AP. Okay, now next question, 74. The first three terms of an AP when the first term is 10 and the common difference is D. Actually kan okay, so in should the formula. Okay, A plus n minus 1 D, and then the n term takamut one after the other. So for A1, actually the first term will be 10. Okay, and then thing you should cross out now option B. And then A2, isn't it A1 plus D plus the common difference? Okay, so answer kan day 10 plus common difference day 10 here, so day 20. So the second term day 20. Actually, this is the answer. Okay, the banshu pensotho AP A3 is again another one, that is AD or A2 plus 10 kan 30. Okay, so option A is the correct answer. Okay. Okay. Question number 75. If common difference of an AP is D, then in thought the common difference, okay, D is equal to 5, then A 16th minus A 15th term is, okay, so so given hangtay for the first one, A 16, then in the use the formula, isn't it equal to A plus n minus 1 D, okay, and then pehang ni A of n day 16 so ngilaman to ni A plus kan day no 16 minus 1 D kan, okay, and then this is nothing but A plus 15D. So ngin to ni, therefore A 16th is equal to A plus 15D. In book the first equation. So similarly, second equation rule, that is A of 15 Ladang solve kumni pin yo kanday A plus 14D. Okay. Then in no in subtract it. And by the way, I given D is equal to 5. Termly later. Okay, in solve which way can so 16 minus A of 15 is equal to in shimya. So kan day A plus 15D minus kan mau habadon minus ngin habbu bracket ben. So kan day A plus 14D. Okay. Then in the solve you can in your A plus 15D minus A plus into minus in your minus. Okay. There hang to pet bhau A ngila ban cancel. A minus A. Okay. So hang ni kan stang 15D minus 14D. So 15D minus 14D, it is nothing but D. Okay. And what is the value of D? 5. So correct answer and the option C. Okay. Question number 76. Sum of the first 20 natural number is kemudian ang ni ngin hawa dia sum. So ngampat pen I ke formula. So the formula of sum is Sn is equal to n by 2. Okay. 2a plus n minus 1d. Kani kaya formula jong sum to find the sum of nth term. Okay. So hang ni pada kedai 20 term. Then so given. Okay, given n is equal to 20. Now natural number starts from 0. No, it starts from 1. Okay, and then common difference 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is nothing but 1. Okay, so what will be the sum of first 20 natural number? So that implies we can use a bit like a formula. Can Sn, okay, is equal to convey n by 2, and then we have 2a plus n minus 1d. Can you get a formula? So that implies Sn of 20 terms. So isn't it S of 20? Okay, then we have 20 by 2. Nang ta 2 into a they 1 plus n they 20 minus 1. Common difference they 1. So in the solve kani in the yo cancel hang ni yo cancel. So kadai 10 nang tada 2 1 is 2 plus 20 minus 1 it is 19. 19 into 1 it is 19 hi. So hang ni kadai 10 into 19 20 21. So answer kadai 210. Option A is the correct answer. Okay. Second ma we can formula. Next, question number 77. The missing term in the box of the AP 2, dash, 26. Okay, ngin what is a second term. So anyway, in talk given AP can day 2, dash. Otherwise, we assign not x and 26. Okay, for the time being, you assign x. So that implies hang ni in the page bar a is equal to 2, correct? And then near 26 day the third term. Okay, 26. So bangin what you ni don't come you you common difference. Nim dan to common difference. So in what three common difference. So that implies at the same time you tip a of n is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. Okay, so that implies for the third term a3. So a kan day kan no a day 2 then plus n day kan no n day 3 minus 1 d. Okay, the a3 pada it is given by day 26. So 26 is equal to 2 plus 2d. Then that implies ngan should transpose ma everything from the right hand side to the left and everything from the left to the right. So this is 2 plus 2d equals to 26. Then that implies 2d is equal to 26 minus not 2. Then that implies d is equal to 24 by 2. And the cross cancellation here 2 1 2 2. Okay, so therefore d is equal to 12. So mentang like your common difference. So we can easily find out A2. So A2 it is nothing but A plus D. That's not the symbol. Okay, so that implies A2 is equal to A, which is 2, and plus common difference D, which is 12. Okay, so therefore A2 is equal to 14. Correct answer is option D. Okay.